So ini adalah satu mouse that I've been using for quite a while right now. This is the I don't want to pronounce this thing, and this is a dongle wireless mouse actually, and it served me well, but it always gives me some disconnections dan saya nak tukar battery ni. It's just a lot of hassle. So I've been looking for a new mouse, and I want something wired and needs to have some ergonomics, as well as needs to be has some macro buttons. So saya tengah cari dan I found this mouse. This is the Aula this is the Aula S12 gaming mouse, and this mouse has some features that many mouses don't have, and this thing I just bought for like untuk 12 ringgit saja, just 12 ringgit. And yeah, let's get into the unboxing actually. Okay, this mouse originally priced untuk 16 ringgit. Manakala saya beli sekali dengan mousepad ini. This is their gaming mousepad, which is the design is quite cool. Sorry for the microphone. The design is quite cool, and saya beli benda ni untuk 8 ringgit, dan sekali dengan ini saya beli mouse ini untuk 12 ringgit. So jumlah harganya adalah 20 ringgit. So let's get into the unboxing. So there's the mouse, and they do have a user manual. Okay, this mouse does come with a software, which I get into it later. Before that, let's see the features that they have actually. Okay, mouse ketika sini ada 7 buttons, 7 buttons, and it has a DPI button, dan DPI nya adalah 600 DPI hingga 2400 DPI, so very responsive. The speed is 60 inches per second, and the connection is USB 2.0, so no 3.0. It does have some RGB. Then weightnya adalah 120 gram as they told here, and the cable length adalah 1.5 meters actually. So let's get into the mouse. So this is the Aula S12 mouse, and it does have some gaming vibes. First, in the hands, it's far more comfortable than the small mouse. Okay, this mouse is too small actually, as you guys can see. It can almost cover up my whole hand with this thing. So this is a small mouse, and it's a very light mouse. One of the key advantages is it has some clicky buttons, and the first feel in the mouse ini, it feels very ergonomic, and it does have some quite heft to it. It's not like 200 grams or so, it's just 120 grams, and it feels pretty good. And they do have a lot of buttons, like dia orang ada banyak buttons. So dia orang ada 2 tekan button ni, left and right click. The scroll wheel has a button, and they have another button beside the right button actually. And they're telling that this button is a double click button. So while you're playing games, and you just tekan benda ni, and you can shoot more bullets actually. And they do have another 2 buttons here, which is forward and backwards button, and they do have a DPI button, which I told you actually. So how long is the cables actually? They do have giving a zip tie actually, which is quite a nice implement. If you guys gunakan laptop actually, so you guys can cable management pretty easily, and the cable length is quite long. It is 1.5 meters by the looks of it, and I'm telling you, this mouse feels very comfortable. And yeah, that's been it. So I want to get into my computer and plug it in and see what kind of software they are giving us. So as I told you, untuk mouse ini kita ada satu software nama ni adalah Aula S12 software, and diorang ada banyak-banyak software as you guys can see, and I am screen recording this screen so you can see a bit more bigger. Okay, so there are plenty of software features untuk tukarkan DPI, the wheel function untuk scroll ke atau volume. Saya tak tahu untuk scroll wheel function ini. Dan diorang ada media key. You guys boleh import the configuration of this Aula S12 actually, and yeah, you guys boleh tukar apa-apa button sesuka hati. And diorang ada advanced setup macam pointer precision, wheel speed, ada banyak stuff. And this software is quite a hassle to download actually, so saya ada satu link dalam description down below untuk download software ini kalau you guys beli setiga sini. And they do have an LED setup macam they do have some RGB. Saya tak tahu kalau anda boleh nampak, but RGB-nya is so subtle actually. Ada dua LED sahaja. It's fine. They giving us something. And yeah, so you guys ada static, fast, slow. You guys boleh off saja kalau you tak nak buat tak nak RGB. Dan jangan lupa untuk tekan apply ni. Bila anda press tekan apply, itu saja yang it will tukarkan apa-apa saja you guys buat kat sini. Okay, but there's a disadvantage of software ini. The disadvantage is if you close an app, the things that you change doesn't apply to your mouse, because this mouse doesn't have an onboard storage, so you need to keep the software on while you want to change any configuration as well. Has it for gaming? I already tried for gaming and I don't want to open anything actually. Has it for gaming this is quite comfortable, especially this fire button is very featureful. Like, it's very featureful, not gonna lie. Okay guys, that's for the review for the Aula S12 gaming mouse guys. Do I recommend it? Obviously I recommend this thing. It does have some disadvantages guys, but if you guys don't see the disadvantages and look at the advantages, this thing feels very good. Oh, before I end this video, I want to make the review about this mousepad, because this mousepad feels very great. Beli sekali dengan mousepad ini sebab you guys can get this mouse even cheap as for 12 ringgit. So that's been it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what video should I put next. It's been a pleasure to make this video guys. Bye bye guys, and stay safe.